relationships will change and some will stay the same. Some people will always stay in my red stranger circle, while some will make it all the way into my blue circle, and some will make it only a little ways. Remember Alex and Corey? I'm familiar enough with them now to wave to them or even say hello. But when they first moved into my apartment building, they were complete strangers in my red stranger circle. Red rum. Cut that out. Red rum. Red rum. Red rum. Red rum. Excuse me, do you know if there's anyone else around here to hang out with? Yeah, sure, there are tons of people. You guys are new here? Yes, we're new. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thank you. Red rum. Red rum. Cut that out. It's creepy. Now that we've seen each other around and had occasion to speak, Alex and Corey can be included in my orange wave circle. But notice that I only answered Alex's questions and didn't stay around to talk. These two kids will probably remain in my orange wave circle unless I get to know their parents. They are too young to become my friends. How do you think I should interact with Alex and Corey the next time I see them? Not so high!
Hey guys, let me show you something.
Oh, I haven't even get it. Why do you have to throw like that every time?
Hey
It's
guys,
not that hard.
let me show you a technique I learned. This is called the Shaolin Heung
Really? Why?
technique.
Ow, that
It's all about smooth.
It's time for us, Sweet. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Dad bought it for me. He didn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Dweeb. Go away. I was here first. It's my frisbee. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you tonight, Field Scott. Scott, bye, guys. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. He did. Alex and Corey should only be treated as familiar faces in my orange wave circle, not friends. When I saw them again, I made eye contact, waved to them, and said hello. I did not stop to talk to them, and I certainly didn't touch them. What about Scott? Should he have been so friendly? What would those kids' parents have thought if they had found Scott with their children? Scott has seen them before, but he does not know them or their family. Scott crossed the line by talking to them. He should have let them remain in his red stranger circle, or at least his orange wave circle. Who do you know who's moved from your red stranger circle to your orange wave circle and will probably never become any closer to you?